So as a professional vinyl artist, I'm used to getting a fair bit of questions about wrapping cars. Usually it's pertaining to, the colors, the upkeep, the cost, things like that, and from local clients. Occasionally I'll get questions from abroad. And they usually want to know, hey, because it's so cold in Canada, how do you guys wrap cars during winter? Let me show you. Now there's a nice fresh wrap on this car right now, and what you see here is it's currently going through what we call a Canadian cryogenic post-installation molecular stabilization process. Now, I don't want to mess with science or anything, so we'll just do the demonstration on the back glass. Now first, we got to clear her off. Just anchor that removal tool and give her. Next up is surface prep. See, other countries like to use this little fancy isopropyl alcohol. In Canada, we utilize what we call precipitation of glacial grade white powder. That's not related to Uncle Escobar's. Now before we lay this film down, we gotta warm her up. Many people use the heat gun approach or even a blowtorch. For me, I prefer a good old-fashioned Timmy's run. A double-double should do the trick, and you know what? It only sets you back a couple loonies or a toonie. All right, it's time to lay the film down. For this, you want to use overlapping strokes to give yourself the best bond possible. You have two options to get this job done. Now, first up, you have the mitten mop. It's classic, reliable, inside out, outside in, simple. The second is a more advanced technique. We call the snow plow technique. You just slap a buffer on your favorite scraper and start plowing away. Now I picked this bad boy up for a steal, that crappy tire. Now, although that glacial snow is premium stuff, I personally can't resist just drizzling a little bit of that Canadian maple syrup on there. Gives it a nice glide when you're squeegeeing. Not to mention, it tastes phenomenal. And there you have it. That's how we wrap cars in Canada. Oh, God. That's disgusting. I forgot they sold the company.